have access to purified water. Most of you, right? But do you know how privileged you are for that? About 12 million Mexicans don't have access to potable water. The only viable option is to consume non-purified water, which can lead to many fatal diseases and is the cause of 10% of children death in children under 5-year-old. Nowadays, there are many solutions for this problem, such as water purifiers, which are expensive, water distribution that has a high cost and usually doesn't reach the needed areas, and home purification devices, which sometimes are not very efficient, so they make water unsafe to drink. But what if we could combine these three already existing solutions to create a new one? This solution could possibly solve the potable water problem, and it's also accessible for everybody. This is why we decided to create a water filter that combines a homemade purification system with a commercial one. So we decided to change the structure to a PCV container. This to make it more durable, and also because this is a material that doesn't pollute the water. Another huge advantage is that our filter does not need electricity, so it can function basically everywhere. We conducted a validation process in which we interviewed some potential users and experts on the topic. We asked them about their own situation regarding drinkable water and their awareness about the issue in our country. Then we proceeded to show them our prototype. We got a pretty positive response. Our interviewers affirmed that they would willingly get our purifier device, and they thought it was a viable alternative to make more expensive system waters today accessible for those who need it. One interesting discovery was that one of them already tried to make their own filter, but couldn't because of the lack of materials. Some suggestions we could apply to improve our filter with the right support would be to make it easily replaceable, so people could replace it in harsh conditions. And we're looking forward to developing this idea because it would be a great business opportunity, being that many people could access to it and make their lives easier. This week we learned about frugal innovation. It's a kind of innovation that would help us as a society because it makes expensive products or inaccessible services cheaper for people to access them.